Microsoft Excel, Top 10 Tips, Mastering Data Entry for 2025. Presented by Digital Mystery Academy. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button. All right, my lovely Excel learners, are you ready to dive into some exciting, life-changing Excel tips for data entry? These aren't just tips, they're your superpowers for working like a pro in Excel. Buckle up because we're going to make data entry not only easier, but also fun. Let's start. Ready? Here we go. Tip 1. Shortcut keys for quick navigation. Oh wow, shortcuts are like magic spells in Excel. They save so much time. Let's learn a few, step by step. 1. Jump to the end of the data. Press Ctrl arrow key. Example. If you're in cell A1, press Ctrl Dat to go straight to the last filled cell in that column. 2. Go back to the start of your worksheet. Press Ctrl Home. It's like teleporting. 3. Select a range. Hold Ctrl Shift and press the arrow keys to select a block of data. Try this exercise. Open a sheet with data. Use Ctrl Track to reach the bottom, and then Ctrl Plec to go back up. Feels like you're flying, right? Hack Tip 2. Data validation to control inputs. OMG, this feature is a game changer. You can make sure your data is always correct. Let me show you how. 1. Select the range where you want to control inputs, e.g. A2, A10. 2. Go to the Data tab, click Data Validation. 3. In the dialog box, choose List from the Allow dropdown. 4. In the source box, type your list, separated by commas, e.g. yes, no, maybe. Five. Click OK. Wow, now you have a drop-down in your cells. Test it by clicking any cell in the range and selecting an option. Try this exercise. Create a drop-down for a status column with values like completed, pending, and in progress. Tip 3. Autofill for repetitive data. This is like magic, seriously. Say goodbye to typing the same thing 100 times. Watch this. 1. Enter January in cell A1. 2. Click the tiny square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That's the fill handle. 3. Drag it down to A12. 4. Boom. All months are filled in seconds. Pro tip. It works for dates, numbers, and even custom patterns. Try typing 1, 2, and drag. It will keep going as 3, 4, 5, etc. Try this exercise. Type Monday and use autofill to complete the week. Tip 4. Freeze panes to stay organized. You know how annoying it is when your headers disappear as you scroll? Ugh, let's fix that. 1. Click on the row just below your headers. E.g., if your headers are in row 1, click row 2. 2. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, select Freeze Panes. 3. Scroll down, your headers stay put. Yay! Try this exercise. Open a dataset with long rows and freeze the top row. Now scroll around. So much better, right? Tip 5. Highlight errors with conditional formatting. Whoa, this one is super powerful. Let's catch any errors instantly. 1. Select your data range, e.g. B2, B20. 2. Go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, choose greater than. 3. Set the rule, highlight numbers greater than 1000, or any value you want. 4. Choose a color. Now, all the cells that meet your condition will pop out. Try this exercise. Highlight cells where the value is less than 0 to spot negative entries. Tip 6. Use Excel tables for structured data. Tables are the best. They make your data look gorgeous and easier to manage. 1. Select your data range, e.g. A1, E20. 2. Go to the Insert tab, click Table. 3. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked, then click OK. Ta-da! You now have a sleek table with built-in filters and formatting. Try this exercise. Add a row to your table and notice how Excel automatically extends the formatting and formulas. Tip 7. Flash fill for quick data cleaning. Flash fill is like your personal Excel genie, granting data cleaning wishes instantly. Let's test it step by step with some real data. Ready? Let's go. Scenario: splitting full names into first names. Step-by-step instructions. 1. In column A, A1 to A5, enter the following names: John Smith, Jane Doe, Alice Johnson, Bob Brown, Charlie White. 2. In cell B1, type John, the first name of the first person. Excel is already watching. Get ready to be amazed. 3. Now press Ctrl E or go to the Data tab, click Flash Fill. Wow! Excel fills the first names for all rows in column B. Optional, repeat the same process in column C to extract last names. 1. In C1, type Smith. 2. Press Ctrl E or use the Flash Fill button. Boom! Last names are done. Why Flash Fill is amazing, no formulas required. Works for splitting, combining, or even formatting text like emails or dates. Saves so much time. Tip 8. Protect sheets to prevent errors. Keep your data safe and sound. 1. Go to the Review tab, click Protect Sheet. 2. Set a password optional and choose what actions to allow, e.g. select locked cells. 3. Click OK. Now, no one can mess up your data accidentally. Try this exercise. Protect a sheet but allow users to edit specific cells, e.g. inputs only. Tip 9. Use split view for better focus. Oh wow, this is perfect for large data sets. 1. Go to the View tab, click Split. 2. Your screen will split into 4 sections. Adjust them by dragging the bars. Now you can work on different parts of the data simultaneously. Amazing, right? Try this exercise. Open a large sheet, split the view, and try comparing data in the top and bottom sections. Tip 10. Master keyboard shortcuts. Okay, shortcuts are life. Here are a few advanced ones. Control, insert today's date. Control-Shift-L, turn filters on-off. Alt-Enter, add a new line within a cell. Try these out. They'll make you feel like a pro. Exercises and questions. Exercise 1. Create a data set with the following columns: name, age, city, status. Apply data validation to the status column. Drop down with active and inactive. Highlight rows where age is greater than 30 using conditional formatting. Make sure to subscribe for more exciting content.